did it, Elise. You did it.
I'm giving him the rest of the custard.
She did it. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
One. Okay, Jake, let Buddy do it now.
My turn now.
Look at you, Pie.
Buddy.
Okay. Careful, Buddy.
Very thirsty.
Buddy, hold it still. No, that little bird, he's trying to eat the cup.
Oh, that bird tries to.
Yeah, the trick is you just like hold it out an inch farther than they can reach. So that way they have to step onto your hand to get it.
Maybe it's my turn.
And then you pull your hand away with them on. Yeah, you just really slowly lift it off.
Look at that.
They just hop right
No, I want some too. Oh, let Sean do it.
No, hold it like an inch away so that they can't quite reach. Hold one of your fingers out.
Oh, he bit me.
Just hold it like
You got me.
No, hold it in. Maybe if you hold it too close to them, then they won't get on you.
Yeah. At least it's good. I'm not quite as. Oh! Oh! Oh, babe. Nice!
Very good job, honey.
Look at us.
Hannah, teach you that.
Yeah, you like hold it. You hold it in between
Thanks,
your
Pie.
thumb and your middle finger, and you hold it like an inch farther away than they can reach.
Here, Jake.
Alright, Aubrey, now you'll go get one of these.
Eat all my nectar. Good job, honey.
He's
Now move
putting
it
that on
slowly
me.
away. Oh.
I did it.
You did it.